Yes, I bought triplets. They play kese kese. You are a bastard. Yeah, I go forget problem now for future and for school. Because I follow my friend go pay school fees. Say 600,000 for playing class. So my picky. So if three of them they play. Bini, good night.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
Explode Gujembe, explode Gudas, Kese Kese, Bese 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 Baby.
Look at that.
Explode Gujembe.
Yes, I bought triplets. They play kese kese. You are a bastard. That'll be this show concern me. My mind they tell me say my mother-in-law they eat my baby food. Because I don't know why small people will never get sense. Go they eat one baby food a day. If for Tinubu regime, I not blame them, and my wife I blame. My mind they tell me say those children two, now my own for his side. I don't even know get the last one. Who? Before you pray for fruit of the womb, get work. Oh. You know, when my wife born triplets, we had to say problem good day. Now the way they say they congratulate me. I say the Lord is your. I say, which kind? So me no know. Say triplets. Wow. Do. Nah, no. He? You know, I be Momo. They advise me, when you want to do this, make sure you can buy baby food that you can afford. I blocked the woman. So what's the meaning of that? What do you take me for? How much is baby food that I cannot? And so me when I get said so, I called tell my wife say, hi, this baby food will be blue apata. Oh shit, fuck. Apata me. After me. It concern me at the pronunciation. No be I go by. Yeah, for hospital, they advise me. Say, are you sure you can continue with this? Let me ask the doctor, what do you take me for? I don't know, sir, no guesses. Now, when the children, they not first to they eat. So that time, that they eat the food with 6 days. So I call calculator say 6 days to 1 cup. So technically, if 1 month now 4 cup. And so I don't know say children they grow per second. Before you know, I know they understand that they do the food. My mother-in-law are not clean. Because I'll just come out and say, if I say you go buy you. So, you get one food where they be show me before, none. I can say which food is they say it's Nigeria food. I say, offer my dead body. Will my children eat Nigeria? So they talk to you now. He would take my boots. So I make all the time my wife say, oh, this after me, I be after me. I say, oh, this foreign food, they give you the cancer. Say, me, my wife, me, avoid the food. So I mean, they advise my wife now. So we don't. So the good thing I'm saying now, the baby food na my room it day. So anytime the children want shop, I go measure. I go measure for this because I know they trust the way it the. But right now, by God's grace, I don't stop my children from baby food. Because I know if you carry the leg when my parents no carry for me. Because when I dey grow, I no eat baby food now, akamu. So I don't tell my wife, say, if I feel drink akamu, I get sense like this. If now this says my children get rich, they don't try. So may they not eat baby food, may they akamu. Because on a normal, no be the baby food even still good. I go buy body cream. 150k for cream. When I don't know whether the children go bleach for future. I mean tell my wife say the children not get where they go. Even if they not rob, nobody go. Me leave their skin. Who the children they impress? Who did they impress? Not me be their papa. I know their skin, their mama know. So who did they rob for? Then the papas, that my middle son, I go loner. One picky go they use 6 pampers a day. Now, you know say you want shit. You know your shit finish. You shit half. So as a changer, you got shit, I go pizza. Not be the problem. Now you don't shit now. Yesterday, picking a piece, my wife they use pampers a block piece. Why? You don't go let her piece for share. Not be me get it share. Because me I don't tell my wife oh. I don't want to use pampers again. I don't go new Bini. Don't go chat out the white material. Puro. So they don't cut her 4x4. When I grow, I use pampers. I use pampers. Who are they impressed? When would they grow? Nobody use pampers now. You get this, how do they call it? It be like almost duvet. It dey 4 corner. What is the name? If you are here, you use napkin. While you are growing, napkin users, oh yeah. So why would they use pampers? Why? Pampers say they make pikin, no they get brain. Because they block their airflow. I'm going to napkin. Me, I not buy body cream again. As I talk to you now, I dey gather Kanye. And I don't know that cream. Where they black. Where they extract for Kanye. What's the name? Ude. If you are here, you use Ude while you are growing up and you are proud Ude users. All the Ude users, oh yeah. So my pikin gets us past these people. Ude. I'll stick to the plan. Yeah, I go forget problem now for future and for school. Because I follow my friend go pay school fees. Say 600,000 for playing class. So my pikin, so if three of them they play, Benny, good night.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes, the very good bad guys.